So I haven't vlogged in a while, and I don't really have a reason for that, but I figured today would be one of those days where I should vlog because I'm doing some fun things. And because my vlog has not met some. Hi, Binks. Can you say hi? Binksers, come here. Say hi. Anyways, this is Binks. We've had her for 2 days now, and we rescued her because someone found her in a parking lot. Right, Binks? And her face looks all gross and stuff because she eats her formula out of a bowl, and she insists on getting in the bowl to eat it. Don't you? She's so cute. She's tiny. Especially compared to the other cats. She's so small. See, here comes Rue. You can see how tiny. Rooster! Binks! You're precious. No, you turd, come here. Oh! There's a size difference for you. Excuse our messy room. Oh, so cute. So I am now at Mom's house. It is 3:40 and we're supposed to go to the fair today. I think it's gonna rain, the state fair. But I'm hoping we go to the fair anyways. It's 82 degrees out. It's super nice. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I'm about to paint my nails. My toes are gonna be Susie, which is, it says by Julep Nail Color. And my fingers are going to be Tiffany. Beautiful. Avery had a cheer game because she's a cheerleader now, and I'm waiting for them to get back from that. So I'm gonna paint my nails while I wait, and he's just not that into you is on TV. So I'm just gonna have a little nail party with myself until they get here. Where are we going?
To the fair.
Where are we going?
To the fair.
Where are we going?
To the fair.
Have you ever been to the fair before?
Yep.
Yeah, but do you remember it? Yep. Nope. So this is kind of like the first time going to the fair? Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
What are you excited to see?
Everything.
Everything?
Yep.
Good answer.
What do you think, what is something crazy that we're going to see when we're here?
The biggest world piggy.
The biggest world piggy.
And the horse about the wild rat.
Oh yeah. I have no idea what she's talking about. Okay.
Hey, baby chicks.
Woohoo!
It's the rock in the building. Khalid, Ramel, Terrell in the house. Yes. Live from United States, Brooklyn, New York, it's your boy. Young. The nephews is in the house. As soon as the beat drop, we got the streets locked overseas.
Teba got a lightsaber. What'd you get?
Rainbow ice.
Yum. And I got a chicken gyro. My mom's refilling her lemon shake up. And then we're going home. like 11:45. I am back home. I'm cleaning out my bag after the fair. We had so much fun. That was Avery's first trip that she's going to remember. So, hey, no. So, yeah, it was a lot of fun. She rode rides. I'm sure you saw. She screamed. She was just a freak and had so much fun with it. So, it made me happy. Yeah, I'm just back home now with this little one. She is in play mode because she hasn't had anybody to play with all day. Apparently. No, don't. She's biting. She hardly has teeth now, so I'm not just letting her bite it though. She hasn't bit it yet. Anyways, so yes, I'm just cleaning up. I'm clearly very tired and need sleep. I have to work tomorrow, so. But it's Sunday, and in Indiana, stores close, like retail, like malls and stores like that, they close at 6, so I won't be there as late. There's that penny. But I will still be there somewhat late. And I'm not excited about that. I feel like I should give an update since I haven't vlogged in so long, but really not too much is going on. We got the kitten, I can't even think. I don't know when the last time I vlogged was. Courtney surprised me yesterday with 5 Sauce tickets, so I will be going to see them actually a week from today, and I'm super excited about that. And then I really think that's it for now. Julia's coming. I knew there was one more thing. Julia told me yesterday that she is going to be coming here in October, I think. You little turd. Leave that alone. That's no. She'll be coming here at some point. I think it's October. It might be late September. But yeah, I'm super excited. I haven't seen her since she left in 2013. So, much needed little reunion. So I'm excited for that. And in October, I'm going to be going on a little, like, getaway into, like, a little log cabin getaway thing. I'm really excited about that as well. So, just a few things to look forward to. And I will be vlogging everything I just talked about, actually. Those are all vlog-worthy. Ow! Binks is biting my toe. Vlog-worthy things. So, anyways, for now, I think that's going to be the end of this vlog. Dakota's on his way home, and I'm going to bed. So, yeah. Not a lot going on today, or right now. But yeah, thanks for watching. I have decided I'm just going to upload randomly, basically. I just realized today that I still haven't uploaded the wedding vlog from, like, literally I think a month ago now. So I'm sorry. I will get that up as soon as possible. I didn't realize I hadn't edited and uploaded that yet. I honestly forgot about it completely. So, oh, sorry. I will edit these and upload them hopefully a lot better than what I have been doing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up with me and still watching these. A lot has been going on, and I just, from the day to day, it just seems like I shouldn't be vlogging it. But now that I'm actually vlogging it, I'm realizing I should be still. Our claws hurt. Okay. Anyways, good night, goodbye, I love you, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.